Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Two Step got here yesterday, so we're going to throw it on today. So we will get to work. Just got to take off the valve or the coil pack covers, hook up the wire, and then we'll have to fish the other wire into the car. Haven't decided how we're going to do that just yet. Probably use the sound tube hole like I did for all my other wiring. So keep watching. We'll start getting this installed. This is for a like after February I think 16 and up, February 23rd and 16 and up, MSD Two Step. Apparently they changed coil packs, so the previous one only works for like 2011 up to February of 2016. So they came out with another one that works for ours, so that's the one I'll be installing today. Then I'll show you the how I'm tapping into the clutch in the car to activate it. So let's get to work installing it, and hopefully have some fun with it when we're done. All right, so we got everything connected up. So you want to do the black wire or the black connector from the MSD harness into your coil pack connector that goes to the harness. Then you want the brown connector; those go to your coil packs. So we got that side wired up. Got that side wired all up. Then we're going to use this ground for now. Haven't decided where I want to mount it yet. So yeah, we're going to use that for ground. And then you want to check the MSD box. You probably can't really see too well, but it is the red light is illuminated, which means that everything is connected up good. So now we'll run both of these wires into the car. The blue wire, I think blue wire is activated by ground. Blue white wire is activated with the 12-volt source, so you can put it on like a momentary switch. We're just going to wire ours to the clutch for now, see how we like it. So we'll get that wire ran into the car, wire it up, button up the engine bay, and then we'll start it up and see how it works. All right guys, so we got everything wired up. Show you how I wired it, and then we'll fire it up and hopefully test it out. So I ended up sliding the box right in here. As you can see, box is in here, nice and secure. Be covered by the battery shield, away from heat and all that. So we tucked our wires down to there, ran it that way, ran it all the way around. And then we just followed our wires down into the cab right here, through the sound tube hole where we got all our boost controller wires going. Then I ended up running one wire up to the hob switch. I wired in an LED, so that way it'll pulse, or it'll blink when the hob switch is running, so I know the third pump is running. And then probably won't be able to see much down here. You can kind of see it where that red splice-in clip is. That is your clutch switch. That white wire running, that's just the other wire in case I want to switch it up to like a momentary switch or something. Ran them both into the car just to give me the option later down the road if I want to do that. So that's pretty much how it's installed. Just got to run your wires. We're going to use the ground activation. You can either have it activated by ground or activated by 12 volts. So I opted for the ground. So we'll get everything buttoned up under the engine bay, put back together, and then we will fire it up and test it out. Got everything wired up. It's correct. Tapped into both wires on the bottom of the clutch switch. And the two-step sounds like it wants to catch the limiter, but it'll rev right past it. So I'm thinking it's a bad, most likely a bad module from MSD. So tomorrow, call them up, explain what's going on, see how it's going, and maybe we'll need a new module, who knows. But keep you guys updated, and yeah, we'll get it sorted out and we'll have some fun. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, comment, subscribe. Be definitely more content on this car as we finish modding it up. It's probably going to be just a dedicated drag car, to be honest. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.